Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Tina smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. To change the language on this smartband, first your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the GloriFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the GloriFit application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, we can tap on device icon. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to the app. Tap on device icon, and here we need to find the option called Universal Settings. Then tap on it, and you should see the device language option right here on the list. Tap on it, it will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your smartband. Then you can tap on the language you want to use and wait a couple of seconds, and the language will be applied. And then you can go back and close the app. And that's how you change the language on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.